Good morning and welcome to Grace Church. We're thrilled that you have joined us in worship today. If this is your first time attending in person, we'd love to meet you. After the service, please connect with Mr. Amit and Mrs. Shaila Masi or Mr. Vijay and Mrs. Neetu Blessed. They'd be happy to get to know you, answer any questions and help you feel at home in the Grace family. Now, let's take a look at what's happening at Grace Church in the coming weeks. Our Christmas celebrations begin this Saturday, December 13th with our Destiny Fellowship carols. We'd love for you to join us from December 13th to 21st as we celebrate the birth of Jesus together. This is a wonderful time to invite friends, neighbors, and family to experience the joy of Christmas with us. All dates and details are available on the screen or on the notice board near the stairs. For more information, please connect with your Destiny leader. If you're not part of a Destiny Fellowship yet, reach out to Pastor Nini. She'll help you to get connected with a group near you so you can be part of the celebration. Our annual Christmas dinner is coming up on December 19th at 7 p.m. and we'd love for you to join us for a wonderful evening of food, fellowship and celebration. The cost is Rs 300 per person and the tickets are available today after the service from Mr. Amit Masi or Mr. Andrew Johns. Be sure to grab yours early and bring someone along, family, friends or neighbors to share in the joy. The final day to purchase tickets is next Sunday, December 14th, so don't miss out. On Sunday, December 21st at 10 a.m., we invite you to join us for Appreciation Sunday at Grace Church. This is a special time when we come together as a church family to honor and recognize the incredible volunteers and servers who have faithfully given their time and talents to support our various ministries throughout the year. Join us as we express gratitude for those who have faithfully served and contributed to the life and growth of Grace Church. Join us for Christmas at Grace on December 25th. We'll be celebrating with 3 services, a Hindi service at 8:30 a.m., an English service at 11 a.m. and an evening service at 4 p.m. Both morning services will be live streamed. We invite you to bring friends and family as we celebrate the true meaning of Christmas together. This year's theme is Peace on Earth, reminding us of the hope, love and joy Jesus brings. Come experience the beauty and wonder of Christmas with your Grace Church family. Our annual fasting and prayer will take place on December 26th and 27th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is a meaningful time to seek God's guidance for the year ahead, for yourself, your family, and the entire Grace Church. Over these 2 days, we will set aside time to pray, worship, and listen to God's direction for our lives. On December 27th, we will dedicate special time to pray for families. Come and spend this time in God's presence, preparing your heart to start New Year with clarity, purpose, and a deeper connection with Him. On the last Sunday of 2025, December 28th at 10 a.m., we will celebrate Testimony Sunday at Grace Church. This is a special opportunity to reflect on God's faithfulness and share the ways He has worked in your life and your family's life over the past year. If you have a testimony of answered prayers, blessings, breakthroughs, or any moment where God's presence was evident, we invite you to share it with the Grace family. To participate, please contact Pastor Nini by December 21st so your name can be added to the testimony list. Let's come together to honor God, celebrate His goodness, and inspire one another as we close out the year and step into 2026 with hearts full of gratitude and hope. Here is a special announcement from the Lights of Grace Women's Ministry.
This is a special announcement for all the Lights of Grace. Get ready, ladies, for our annual lunch meet on the 28th December. The theme this year is Joy in the Lord. Theme colors are red and green. As a part of the celebration, we also have an exciting special called Guess Who. For details, please stay updated on the Lights WhatsApp group or connect with any one of the team leaders. Come be a part of the joy in the Lord.
Ring in the new year with us at Grace. Our Watch Night service will be held on December 31st at 10:30 p.m. both in person and online as we reflect on the past year and welcome 2026 with prayer, worship and gratitude. Continue the celebration on New Year's Day, January 1st at 10 a.m. with a special service where we will worship together and partake in the Lord's table, remembering God's faithfulness and sacrifice. It's the perfect way to begin the year focused on Him, surrounded by your Grace Church family and stepping into 2026 with hope, joy and thanksgiving. Right after today's service, the Lights of Grace Women's Ministry and the Benevolence Ministry will be hosting a fundraiser. You can support these ministries by purchasing a meal or some of the sale items available. Your participation helps them continue their impactful work in our church and community. Join us next Sunday at 10 a.m. for Communion and Mission Sunday, either in person or online on Facebook and YouTube. Don't come alone. Invite a friend, family member, or neighbor to join you. To stay encouraged, connected, and updated throughout the week, follow us on all our social media channels. We wish you a wonderful week and can't wait to celebrate Christ with you during our Destiny Fellowship carols.